Olaf, and there are the glitter glazers in the collection, and clips, and you can see the bottom of Olaf. So let's open it right now. So it comes with Elsa and Anna and this little Olaf. So he's very cute.
What about the dresses? Do they like clip on?
Yes, look, I will show you. So you can see there's some little clips. So you can change dresses. Like, I will show you how you can change dresses. So Anna's dress is a little bit difficult to Elsa. So Elsa got stuck with her hair. So we got it again. So it's just a braid, I don't know. A braid, I don't know. A brush for braid. I think
there we go. Okay, now show me.
There's Elsa.
Let me see.
Now Elsa is Anna. And then Anna is Elsa.
It's gonna be Elsa.
Yeah, and like she's funny. Anna's braid is stuck. And Elsa's braid. And Elsa's.
A ver, let me see both. Let me see them, a ver, let me see.
Anna's is right here, so she's, that's Elsa! Sorry, Anna, but all the kids are doing something to us.
Okay, are they ready to slide?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go.
And we're gonna make this beautiful. What is it?
What are you gonna, you know what? What are we gonna do? We're gonna do a beautiful rainbow, right?
What are we gonna do? Guess.
A rainbow for Anna and Olaf.
And
what's the magic word?
And we're gonna have all the princesses too. We're gonna have more friends because they can't play by themselves.
Okay.
What we're gonna do?
Okay.
And they're gonna be scared. We have Anna and Elsa and Olaf are gonna slide in the
rainbow bridge. Okay,
yeah.
Let's get started.
She can slide very fast. Elsa, are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. So that will be so fun. To make the rainbow, we need purple, blue, green, and yellow, and orange, and red.
Okay, so is Elsa and Anna ready to make the rainbow bridge?
Yeah, with me and my friends.
Okay, well, let's make the rainbow. Here we have Anna, and as you can see, she has wheels on the bottom and she can slide see. Here we have Elsa, and she also has wheels on the bottom, and she can slide. Here we have Olaf, and Olaf has a wheel on the bottom, and he drifts, as you can see. Let's play having them slide through the rainbow bridge. Here comes Anna. Yay! Now twirl. Your turn, Elsa. Okay. Yay! One more time, one more time. Yippee! That was fun. Now, Anna, let's do it together. Okay. Here we go. Yay! That was fun. Let's one more time. One more time. Well, here we go. Oh, sorry, that was fun. Yay! Now it's Olaf's turn. Okay. Here comes Olaf. Yippee! Olaf can drift. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave us some comments below. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Welcome to Fun Toy World. Today we're gonna have some fun with the glitter gliders. They're gonna glide and they're gonna slide through the rainbow bridge. Let's have some fun and let's get started. Here comes Belle. Yippee! Was that fun, Belle? Yes! Can you turn?